Hey y'all, I just wanted to do a quick video on some Taba squishies I ordered off Amazon. They came just now, and I wanted to make a small video off them, because why not? This video won't be long, it's just a small thing, and I'm probably gonna edit it, so I'll put the product I got up on the screen about right here. And without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so these are the two things I ordered, a cat paw and a donut. I don't know what this is on the donut, but it looks kind of like a soot sprite. Up here it says enjoy food, has some little decorations and stuff, which I really like. I can't read Chinese, so I don't know what that says. I am learning it, I just don't know how to read it yet. Comes with this cute little charm right here. Same thing on the cat paw. There's some pom-poms in here. Some sprinkles on the donut. Little soot sprite charm, whatever. There's a bow on the cat paw. Some pom-poms here as well. Alright, this is my first time with a Taba squishy, so first squish. Yeah! And I mean, these are new, so they're probably gonna take a little while to like fully become squishy, but they're really good right now. And I just like the cat paw. Donut test. Oh yeah, this one's nice and soft. The cat paw is a little tougher, but overall, I think these are quite squishy, very good. People in the comments the reviews of the squishies on Amazon were saying like, oh, this is hard silicone or whatever, I think. But I think that's pretty common for Amazon squishies, since they probably don't use like silicone, but you know. So I just noticed that this is like flaked with like chocolate or something. I don't know. But yeah, that's my opinion on these. Yeah. Thanks for watching.